Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the fuel type on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the second option, the My Boat. In the boat section you can find the last option, the fuel, and here you can choose diesel, super F5, super 10 and electric, and just select the type and click that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.